Let's go over file handling in Python. You can open a file following the syntax. With open, in the parentheses, we have to give the path of the file, then the mode, which we will be covering in a second, and third argument is encoding, which is optional but recommended. Then we finish the syntax with alias keyword as, then a variable name we want our file to be called. And in here, we can read the whole file using print file.read. Now let's cover the modes that I mentioned earlier. There are many of them, but the most common and the most important ones are the following. We have R, which is coming from read. It's also the default value and opens a file for reading. It also throws an error if the file does not exist. We have A from append, opens the file for appending and creates the file if it does not exist. We have W, which is write, opens a file for writing, creates the file if it does not exist. But an important thing here is that this is going to overwrite your file actually. We have X, which is coming from create, creates the specific file, and throws an error if the file does not exist. In terms of reading, we have three options. .read, which reads the whole file, .readline, which reads only one file, and .readlines, which returns a list of lines. A memory-friendly way to get over each line is with a for loop. For example, for line in file, we print line.strip, and in this case, strip is just removing the white spaces. Bonus tip, you can use the path from Pathlib in order to read from files in a cleaner way. That's file reading 101. Next, we will be covering how we can write and append files like a pro, so stay tuned.